Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some rustic cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Rustic cottage decoration is a warm, cozy home decor style that blends countryside charm with natural, time-worn beauty. It celebrates simplicity, comfort, and a lived-in feel, making a home feel welcoming and peaceful. Key elements of rustic cottage decor. First, use natural materials like wood, stone, brick, jute, linen, cotton, and wicker are essential. Reclaimed or distressed wood furniture adds authentic rustic character. Rustic cottage decor feels peaceful, nostalgic, and homey, perfect for those who love a slower, simpler lifestyle with timeless charm. Philosophy of the style. Rustic cottage decor is about comfort over perfection. Scratches, faded paint, uneven textures, and etched finishes are embraced because they tell a story. The home should feel loved, layered, and lived in, not showroom perfect. Furniture characteristics. Use solid wood furniture with visible grain, knots, or cracks. Use distressed, whitewashed, or lightly painted finishes. Mix of old and new pieces. A window table with modern setting works well. Compact, cozy proportions suited to cottage-style homes. Avoid sleek, glossy, or ultra-modern furniture. Wall and ceiling treatments. Use soft neutral walls like warm white, cream, stone, and peeling tube. Wood paneling, bedboard, or shiplap and Scottish charm. Use exposed wooden beams or fox beams, enhance rustic character. Use lime wash or textured paint creates an old world feel. Flooring choices. Use natural wood floors, even slightly owned ones are perfect. Use stone or terracotta tiles for kitchens and interiors. Use layered rugs like jute, sisal, variated or vintage pattern rugs. Textiles and fabrics. Textiles bring softness to rustic spaces. Use linen and cotton curtains, crocheted, knitted, or patchwork throws. Use floral, check, stripe, or faded prints. Muted colors rather than bold contrast. Lighting style. Warm, soft lighting only, never harsh white. Use earth iron, wood, or ceramic light fixture. Table lamps with fabric or plated shades. Lantern style pendants and wall sconces. Lighting should feel gentle and atmospheric. Decorative accessories. Use oven baskets for storage, old books, candle holders, and enameler. Use ceramic pitchers, clay pots, and glass jars. Also use wooden trays, cutting boards, and rolling pins. Even items should feel useful, meaningful, or nostalgic. Rustic cottage kitchen look. Use open shelving with everyday dishes, wooden countertops or batka blocks. Use vintage-style cabinets or painted wood cupboards, hanging pots, copper utensils, and ceramic jars. Bedroom styling. Use wooden or iron bed frames, layered bedding with quilts and soft throws. Bedside tables with vintage lamps, calm, suiting color combinations. The bedroom should feel calm, simple, and restful. Common mistakes to avoid: over-decorating, too many dark colors, shiny finishes, or modern plastics. Matching everything perfectly. Rustic cottage style thrives on natural imbalance and warmth. Overall mood. Rustic cottage decoration creates a home that feels cozy, timeless, peaceful, connected to nature, full of quiet charm. Here is even more detailed expert level information about rustic cottage decoration, focusing on depth, layering, and real home application. Emotional feel of the style. Rustic cottage decor is not just visual, it is emotional. It is meant to feel calm and soul-packed, nostalgic and comforting, connected to countryside life, warm, safe, and welcoming. Every space should feel like a retreat from busy modern life. Common harmony and layering. A state of contrast, rustic cottage relies on soft blending. Base colors use warm white, ivory, cream, and oatmeal. Natural tones use shades green, clay, muted blue, moss, sand. For accent tones, rust, faded mustard, soft charcoal. Walls, furniture, and textiles should gently flow into each other. Egging and patina, very important. True rustic cottage homes looks better with time. Tipped paint in charming. Scratches on wood and character. Slightly faded fabrics feel authentic. Brass, iron, and copper should look aged, not shiny. Avoid anything that feels newly perfect. Storage as decor in rustic cottage style. Storage is visible and beautiful. Use open shelves with baskets, wooden crates under tables, hooks with hanging bags, aprons, or hats, glass jars for kitchen staples. Functional items become decoration. Windows and curtains use light filtering linen or cotton curtains. Cafe curtains in kitchens use soft florals, tiny checks or stripes. Use wooden or oat iron curtain jars. Natural light is essential, never block it heavily. Rustic cottage wall styling. Walls should feel collected, not decorated. Use botanical prints or pressed flowers. Use windows mirrors with own frames. Simple landscapes or countryside art. Use wooden shelves with small objects. Leave some empty space. Breathing room matters. Seasonal adaptability. Rustic cottage decor adapts beautifully to seasons. Spring, use fresh flowers and pastel linens. For summer, use lighter fabrics and open windows. For autumn, use warm draws, jade florals. For winter, use chunky nails, candlelight. Tints, textiles, not furniture. Use handmade and DIY influence. Handmade pieces are the soul of rustic cottages. Use crochet, knit, or patchwork textiles. Hand-painted sign, DIY shelves or tools. Repurposed old furniture. Imperfection is welcomed. Lifestyle connection. This decor style supports solo living, simple routines, chic corners and reading nooks, handcrafted hobbies like crochet, baking, and gardening. It reflects a peaceful, mindful lifestyle. Rustic cottage decoration is about comfort over trends, natural beauty over perfection, history over newness, calm over clutter. Authenticity comes first. Rustic cottage decor values honesty in materials. Wood should look like wood, stone like stone. Fox finishes are acceptable only if they feel natural and understated. The goal is natural imperfection, not artificial egging. Curves and soft lines. Unlike modern or farmhouse styles, rustic cottage favors rounded furniture edged, curved chair backs, oval or round tables, softly shaped accessories. The shapes create a gentle, cozy atmosphere. Balance between rustic and cottage. The style sits perfectly between two worlds. Rustic use raw wood, stone, iron architectures. For cottage use florals, lace, soft fabrics, and gentle colors. Too much rustic feels heavy. Too much cottage feels overly sweet. Balance is key. Layering done the right way. Rustic cottage layering is solo and thoughtful. Start with natural furniture. Add textiles in similar tones. Introduce vintage objects gradually. Finish with natural elements. Nothing should feel rushed or overcrowded. Floors that tell a story. Own wooden floors are ideal. Slide gaps, knots, and color variations add charm. Layer rugs casually, not perfectly centered. Beaded or faded rugs work best. Perfect floors look out of place. Floors that tell a story. All wooden floors are ideal. Slide gaps, knots, and color variations add charm. Layer rugs casually, not perfectly centered. Beaded or faded rugs work best. A perfect floor looks out of place. Rustic cottage kitchen character, freestanding furniture instead of built-ins. Dressers used as cabinets, open shelves showing everyday life. Wooden tools with own sets. The kitchen should feel used and loved. Use soft scents and sound atmosphere, often overlooked but important. Natural scents use charred lavender, herbs, beeswax candles. Gentle sounds, ticking clocks, crackling fire. The sensory details complete the cottage feeling. Rustic cottage outdoor intention. Even a small balcony or porch can reflect the style. Use wooden chairs or benches, clay pots with herbs, wicker baskets, soft cushions, and lanterns. Indoor and outdoor spaces should flow together. What makes a home feel too styled? Avoid trendy signs and slogans. Over polished decor. Excessive symmetry. Too many matching sets. A rustic cottage home should feel natural, collected, and personal. True rustic cottage enhance. Rustic cottage decoration is about a home evolved over time, emotional warmth, gentle beauty, nature-inspired simplicity, a peaceful, solo living mindset. Collected over time look. A true rustic cottage never looks newly finished. It feels like furniture added slowly over years, checker items with personal stories. Handmade town or repurposed pieces, a small must that feel natural. Avoid buying everything at once. Furniture placement and flow. Rustic cottage homes feel relaxed. Furniture slightly built in, not pushed tightly to walls. Cozy conversation groupings. Corner used for reading nooks or tea spots. Open pathways that feel casual, not formal. Comfort matters more than symmetry. The power of neutral foundations, walls, floors, and large furniture stay neutral so decor can change. Warm white walls, neutral wood tones, soft linen upholstery. This allows seasonal updates without redesigning. Texture is more important than color. Instead of bold colors, rustic cottage relies on rough wood plus soft fabrics, often baskets plus smooth ceramics, matte finishes instead of glossy. Texture creates warmth and depth. Small imperfections that add charm. Tone tied, slightly cropped shelves, wrinkled linen curtains, hand hand-shone pottery without uneven edged, faded prints. These imperfections make the home feel human. Rustic Cottage styling by room purpose. First, living room is comfortable setting, soft shelf within reach, books, candles, baskets. For kitchen, use everyday items on display, open shelves, natural wood tools. Bedroom, use minimal furniture, layered bedding, clump lighting. Bedroom, use wooden tools, linen towels, glass jars for storage. Seasonal rhythm of the home. Rustic cottage decor follows nature. Lighter fabrics in warm months, heavier textures in cool months, fresh greenery changing with seasons, dried elements used in winter. The home prints with the year. Emotional connection to space. This style encourages solo mornings, quiet evenings, handcraft like crochet or baking. Intentional, simple living. Your home becomes a sanctuary. Rustic cottage decoration is less about decorating and more about living gently, embracing comfort, nature, and imperfection in everyday life. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.